You know how most schools use their social media platforms? Can be quite boring, specifically when you only see photos of children during a prize giving, or here or there you just have a poster that a child created during a class. I don't think that really shows off your school's unique culture. What my company does, it comes into your school and works with the staff, the parents and the learners in showing them how to do proper content creation for your social media pages. Let's tell the story of your school's unique culture and show off the awesome things that's happening in your school. What we do is we show teachers how to include social media content creation as part of their pedagogy, how they can use the content that they're already creating in their schools and in the classrooms to also become part of your social media strategy. We do the same for small businesses that have a vested interest within the education space. If you'd like to find out more about how my company can assist you in improving your social media footprint, be sure to email me at francois@phoenixed.co.za. Or if you'd like to find out more about how we do personal and professional development for teachers, you can click on the video right here.